Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to find the API key in Claude AI. And you can do this directly from the application. So what we're going to do right here is go to Google and search for Claude AI console. And then we click right here on Cloud Console. Then right here, we have here the option to get API key, and then you need to pay. So what we're going to do right now is go left in the bottom to manage and select right here on API keys. Then right here, this is telling that this free plan is for evaluating cloud's capabilities before commercial use. So that is fine. And then right now we can create an API key. So we click right here on key, give this one a name. So we do test, then we do add. And there we are. Now we can use right here this API key, and this is how you can find and use your API key right here in Claude AI. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.